Okay, so they're here. These are the things I've been waiting for. I was at work all day today in the shop. I came back home 9:30. These got delivered to someone else's house. What do you think I was gonna do? What do you think I was gonna do? I was gonna knock that door. You get me? So yeah, we got the Renpho hair clippers. Renpho, sorry. And now we're gonna do a quick unbox. Let's see what's in here. So look. Oh, I was waiting for these. Ooh. God, look at that. Tell me if that ain't beautiful. Okay, so we got here you're invited to join the Renpho family. I think this is just like Instagram, Facebook. If you're unhappy, don't care about that. And then we got the user manual. Okay, and then so open this up. Ooh. You know what? Let me get to the clipper last. Okay, so we've got a USB charging lead. This looks like it goes to the bottom, and this one goes to the plug. So it didn't exactly come with a charger plug. So I would imagine what I'll just use my phone. A fast charger. It comes with 3 clips. It comes with a 3mm, 2mm, and a 1mm, which these are never gonna get used. So bam. And then we've got another charger here. This one looks like, yeah, so it's got 2 ends to it. Okay, yeah. And then it comes with some, hold on, shoot. It comes with some oil. Okay, we'll get that greased up. And then it comes with your normal cleaning brush. And then last but not least, baby, shout out to Matt Gifted Hands and S Craft Blends, because it's them man they show me about this. Let me pop this off. And you know something, yeah, I'll tell you the truth, I'm not even gonna try and use this blade. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm really not. The War Hero blade is just gonna get slapped straight on this, and it's gonna be a myth. Let me have a look. Look, just look at it. Let's pair it. Ooh, look at that. So now we're at 55 RPM. We're at 62%. Really, I shouldn't be turning this on right now because it's just come out of the box. And then crank that up. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're fully cordless, man. Fully cordless. Okay. Listen, all I would say, yeah, is so far, let me get this out of the way. Get out of the way. So far, listen, build quality, build feel, and everything, like, this is the best feeling trimmer I have ever felt in my hands. Remember, I told you, yeah. And these, in my opinion, are the best looking trimmers I have ever seen. Like, come on, look at that. He said, you know, when that War Hero blade goes on this, it's a problem. It's just gonna be a problem straight away. I can just tell. This is crazy. Like, don't get me wrong, like tomorrow, what I'm gonna do, or I might even do it in a bit, I'm gonna swap the blades over. I'm gonna put the War Hero blade on it, and when I'm up in the shop tomorrow, I am going to see how this thing works. And also, I'll be doing another video actually showing them work, because I'm telling you, I mean, these are already zero gap. They come zero gapped if you look there, but I'm not even gonna bother with it. All I'm gonna do is slap them Hero blades on it, and then that's gonna be it. So yeah, guys, so far so good. They've even got a nice weight to them as well, and that premium finish. They don't even feel like cheap clippers. And believe you me, I'm gonna put the link to this in the description box. They're on Amazon for about £29 in English money, and they're on eBay for I think it's £37. But I think what the eBay guys are doing is drop shipping from Amazon. So if you're using PayPal, just use the eBay. It'll cost you a bit more, but I'm telling you, these things here, I can just tell that these are just going to be a problem. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you. Look forward to the next video, because I'll be showing you if this modification thing works that I learned from S-Craft Blends. Shannon, shout out to him. Anyway, family, bless up, peace up, and keep inspiring, guys. Peace.